Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on clearing all of your Samsung Internet browser history. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open the Samsung Internet app and tap on the 3 horizontal lines button in the bottom right corner. Tap History from the menu that appears. Here is all of your Samsung Internet browser history. To delete a search or website visit, hold down on it to select it, and then tap Delete. You can tap to select other websites or searches if you would like to delete multiple. Tap Delete, then tap Delete again on the pop-up. To delete all of the history, tap on the 3 dots button in the top right corner, then select Clear History. Tap on Video History at the top of the page. This is your video history on Samsung Internet. Like before, you can hold down on a video to select just one or multiple and then tap Delete at the bottom. To delete all of the video history, tap on the 3 dots button in the top right corner and then tap Clear Video History. All of your Samsung Internet browser history is now cleared. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Samsung tips and tricks.